Got yourselves into, it's called a boat. It's okay, we gotta start somewhere. As soon as we fill up this boat, the sooner we can get underwater. Underway, I'm sorry. Underwater. Underwater was one of the other boats. Oh, and it looks like we're clear to go. Everybody wave goodbye to the dock. Now don't be silly, wave goodbye to the people on the dock. Bye, people! That makes a little more sense. Oh, now wave goodbye to the nice people in line. They only have 3 more hours. Bye! Alright, some quick safety stuff. Please remain seated throughout the whole tour. Keep your arms and legs inside of the boat at all times. And please supervise your children, or else the crocodiles will. My name is Skipper Dustin, and not only will I be your skipper for the next 3 days and 7 nights, but I will also be your lion tamer, your snake charmer, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. Alright, well, it looks like we're now making our way into the Amazon River. If you guys look outside the boat, you guys will see some giant butterflies. Wow! Those butterflies have a wingspan from anywhere between 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. We like to call them the rulers of the jungle. Ooh, coming up on our left, we have Inspiration Falls. We call it Inspiration Falls because it inspires normally sensible people, just like yourselves, to for some reason want to travel deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, oh. If that's not inspiration, I don't know what is. Well, it looks like we're now leaving the Amazon and making our way into the Congo. Now, the Congo is located in the deepest, darkest parts of Africa. So let's see how far we can go. Now, I set up a welcoming party for you lovely people with the local pygmies. So everybody, surprise! Okay, well, it looks like nobody showed up. I can't see anybody canoe. Something must have scared them away. Do you guys see anything that could have scared them? Anything? Oh my gosh, it's a giant python! And it's sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. You know, pythons are very friendly, but watch out, one might develop a crush on you. Yeah, would not get wrapped up in that, though. I hear it could be smothering. Do you guys mind if I swing by my camp real quick? I need to pick up some stuff. Oh, great. The gorillas got into everything. Well, I couldn't get that car to start earlier. Looks like they got it to turn over. Must have used a monkey wrench. Hey, if anybody's wearing yellow, please don't make any banana noises, okay? It drives them ape. Alright, well, it looks like we're now leaving the Congo and entering into the Nile. The Nile is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you must be in Africa. But good guesses, you guys. Would you look at that? You're now passing by some African elephants. Now you can tell they're African elephants because we're in Africa. Now I taught this one a trick, okay? Speak! Louder! Spray the boat! I'm just kidding, he doesn't know how to do that. Alright, right over here we have ourselves a sandstone formation. It's one of our boulder attractions. Now a lot of people take it for granted, but I think it rocks. Oh! And now we're coming up to the African belt. In the African belt we have a wide variety of animals, from gazelle to gnu to gazebra to giraffe. Oh, and if you guys look up on that rock, you'll see those lions are watching over that sleeping zebra. Oh! I don't know about you guys, but that zebra looks dead tired to me. Yeah, we should probably let it rest in peace. Hey! First rule of the jungle. Don't be a zebra. Oh, and second rule of the jungle, don't be those guys. I told them, I said you cannot outrun a rhino on foot, but they just did not listen. It looks like they got the point in the end, though. Yeah, I would not want to be the low man on that totem pole. But hey, at least they're not the zebra. Oh, my friend Ina's over there. Everybody say hi, Ina.
Hi, Ina.
All right, well, it looks like we're now making our way even deeper into the Nile. Well, if you guys quickly look over to the left, you'll see some trees. Yeah, but if you guys look over to the right, you'll see 2 of our Nile residents. They're actually 2 crocodiles. We like to call them Smiley and Ginger. Now, Smiley just lies around all day waiting for a handout, but you gotta watch out for Ginger, okay? Ginger snaps. She's one tough cookie. Oh, and now we're heading toward the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Fun fact about Schweitzer Falls is actually named after its founder, Albert Falls. Feel that mist on your face?
Yeah.
Well, that actually contains over 100 different types of bacteria, so you might want to get that checked out after this. You know, a lot of people ask me, they go, Skipper Dustin, how'd you get this job? I say it's pretty plain to see. Took a crash course, never really took off though, so now I'm just winging it. But that's the tail end of that story. When you've been in the jungle as long as I have, you begin to smell danger, that is. And I smell hippos. Uh-oh. It looks like we've entered into a hippo pool. Hippos are actually incredibly dangerous. Just last week they capsized 6 boats, but it's okay, only 5 of them were mine. I'm gonna try and scare them away, but I gotta be pretty aggressive, so sorry if I scare you guys. Hippos? can you please not capsize the boat? Thank you. I know I said I had to be aggressive. I guess that makes me a hypocrite. Uh-oh. It looks like we're now entering into headhunter territory. This is a terrible place to be headed. If you guys look up there, you'll see the natives are doing a ceremonial dance, which can mean one of two things. It's either they're about to attack, or somebody lost the keys to the bathroom. Now, they normally attack from the right side, so everybody keep your eyes on the right.
Oh no, he's gonna get us.
Yeah, I guess they're not attacking today. Oh no, to the left, everybody, get down! Get down! Get down! Sir, don't be a hero, get down! Alright, if anybody got hit by a spear, please throw it back. There are no free souvenirs. Oh, and now we're coming to my favorite part of the tour. Everybody put your hands together for the backside of water! Wow! We on the cruise like to call it O2H, but please do not try it at home or else you will hit your head on the faucet. Don't ask me how I know that, just take my word for it. Oh, and it looks like we're now making our way into the Mekong River in Cambodia. But uh-oh, there must have been an earthquake. I do not recognize this entrance. Should we go in?
Yes.
I heard one yes, so I guess we're going in. Please do me a favor, remain seated and keep your eyes open, because I'm going to close mine. If we have everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, it looks like we're off here. And it looks like we made our way to a secret elephant bathing pool. Aww, aren't they just adorable? Feel free to take as many pictures as you'd like. It's okay, it looks like they all have their trunks on. Whoa! Watch out for this guy up here. He likes to steer the boat sometimes. But it's okay, he only comes up once. Oh, let's go back here! Right, duck! 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 Oh, sorry, I thought I saw a duck. Hey, fun fact about elephants. A lot of people think that's water in their trunks, but it's not. Alright, well this is the part of the tour where I like to point out my favorite plants. I like that one. I like that green one over there too, that one's pretty cool. The plants all the way up at the top, those are called hibiscus. The ones at the bottom are called lobiscus. There's one over there, some bark, that's a dog biscus. If you look in the water, you might find yourself a sea biscus. You know, somebody told me the other day that bamboo can grow up to be 6 stories tall. Well, I saw one that was 7, but that's a whole nother story. Now's a good time for a word from our sponsors, Animal Crackers. Teaching children all around the world that every animal tastes the same. Also brought to you by the Miracle Engine Boat Company. If you made it around the river once, it's a miracle. Also brought to you by the Cannibal Cafe, always thinking of new and creative ways to serve you.
Cannibal.
You know what? You guys have been such a great crew that I think I'm going to offer you the tour within the tour. How about that?
Yay!
Yay! There we go. I'm going to give you guys the boat tour. So everybody do me a favor, look up. That's the top of the boat. Everybody look down. That's the bottom. You're welcome. Oh, but on a serious note, if the top ever becomes the bottom, swim. Raise your hand if you know how to swim. You guys just volunteered to be our life preservers. Thank you. You're so brave. I'm just kidding. If you don't know how to swim, I got some soap in here. I'll toss it to you guys so you can wash ashore. Oh, and it looks like we're now making our way to my old friend Trader Sam. You know, Trader Sam, he's the head salesman of the jungle, but you know business has been shrinking. It's pretty cutthroat out there, so he's offering a new deal. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. No matter how you slice it or dice it, you always come out ahead. You know, if If people who eat vegetables are vegetarians, Sam must be a humanitarian. Just last week, he invited me over for dinner. He said, Skipper Dust, I'm also having my brother. I said, I don't like your brother. He said, it's okay, you can just eat the salad. I'm also not a huge fan of his mother. She has no taste. Yeah, you have to take her with a grain of salt and pepper. You know, I did give him some positive feedback, though. I was like, Sam, your wife makes a delicious soup. He said, I know, I'm sure gonna miss her. You know, Sam never graduated from college. Sam almost graduated from college, but he got kicked out. He was caught buttering up one of his professors. Yeah, you never want to turn up to one of his dinner parties late, though. All you get are the cold shoulders. Alright, well, right around this corner we have the most dangerous part of the tour. The return back to civilization. Ooh. I ask that you all please remain seated until I instruct you to stand. Keep your arms and legs and elbows inside of the boat and continue to supervise your children. Everybody on this side of the boat will be leaving out the back. Everybody on this side in the center will be leaving out of the front. Alright, please, when you guys exit, do not cross over those center crates. If you cross over the center crates, you might trip. There'll be 2 bad trips today, and I'm only responsible for the first one. Well, everybody, some of us laughed together, some of us cried together, and some of us nearly died together. And I don't know about you guys, but that kind of makes us like a family. Aww. But like any family event, I think being together for 10 minutes is long enough. So I'm going to say this. You guys have been, what's the word? Not amazing, not fantastic, something better. You guys have been outstanding. Now I need you outstanding on that dock. So everybody rise to your feet triumphantly and welcome back. There we go.